Modine produces a variety of heating and cooling solutions for commercial and industrial applications primarily. We supply schools with products to provide clean, safe air to the classroom for a healthy learning environment. We supply to the hospitality industry, restaurants and hotels. We supply to commercial buildings like this one that we're in right now, providing heating and cooling solutions to keep operators and workers comfortable in their environment. So our new line is a chiller product line. And these chillers are primarily used in data center applications. And the heat transfer they provide ensures that we're able to stay connected in the digital world. We can stay connected with our family and friends, that we can use autonomous vehicles to smart factories. So these products are critical to the success of our economy. What really set Modine apart was the experience of our workforce here in Buena Vista. From the salaried engineering team to the hourly workforce, and their ability to produce high quality refrigeration systems with complicated electronics and heat transfer technology. We've demonstrated that we can do this. We have a reputation of success in the marketplace. So it just made the most sense for Modine to choose to take this product and locate it here in Buena Vista, Virginia.